So guys, welcome back to the channel. Paul here from Kenna Family Adventures. Today is a bit of a different video. We are down at Whiterocks Beach, which is on the north coast of Northern Ireland. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. And we are here, me and the boys, Noah and Jacob, are here to try out and get some footage with our new drone, which is a DJI Mini 4 Pro. We have tried it out at home and some other locations, but this beach is known for having lovely rock formations and little caves and things like that. So we thought it'd be a great location to try it out. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And if you have any comments on using a drone, other good drone locations, or anything at all, please do leave them down below. We always come back and answer every one of those. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. So guys, we hope you enjoyed this little video. We had so much fun flying the drone today. The DJI Mini 4 is great. Just to make it, it's not sponsored or anything. It's just something we bought to try and enhance the footage for the channel for you guys. Yeah, we really had fun here today. Noah's the main pilot of the drone and he's done an amazing job. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. We have lots of holiday and vacation content on there already and more to come. Bye.